Hi, my name is Marius, and now I'm going to show you my new 3D Studio Max modifier Deformation Cleaner. It smooths out deformations without smoothing the original detail of the mesh. First, we disable the skin modifier, then we apply Deformation Cleaner. We re-enable the skin modifier and increase the iterations, and as you can see, it smooths out the deformations. We can play around with the strength to remove these oscillations, or we can apply another deformation cleaner modifier. For it to work, we disable all deformations, we load on deformations from stack, we re-enable it, increase the iterations to something like 10, and we decrease strength to 0.9. Okay, as you can see, it produces good results fast. Here without deformation cleaner and with deformation cleaner. We can go play around. We get nice stretchy deformations. Again, without, wait. Okay, let me explain some of the parameters. Strength controls how much the mesh gets cleaned. Iterations controls how many iterations. Render iterations, when we set render iterations, say something 100, we set it to 0. Okay. When we render, we get the smooth result. But in the report we have nice and fast ugly results, but hey. Apply to all vertices, apply to all vertices, vertex selection. Okay, nothing is selected, let's put on mesh select. Only the mesh selections get smoothed out. We can ignore the boundary, so the boundary stays fixed. We can invert the selection, and now the unselected get smooth. Okay, you can invert the soft selection. Now the same, can invert it. We can have vertex color. Vertex color, we need vertex paint vertex paint modifier. At the beginning only set to white, we fill it with black, then we change to white, and we can paint where we want invert it. We can set the map channel. Map channel 0 is vertex color. Map channel 1. We need to go here and set map channel 1. So we 2. All vertices. Okay. Load the formats from stack scene. So when we click on load the formats, the mess. Okay. See. We first need to disable the formations, click load, and voila. Then reapply and good. If we have a copy, and we can load it from the scene. Boom. That's about it. From the UI perspective, it's easy to use. You can control where to what vertices get applied by selection, soft selection, vertex color. Okay. Let me show some other examples. Manage. Now let me show you how. First, when you apply the modifier, you need to disable deformation so you get the original mesh showing. Then you apply the modifier, you re-enable deformations and crystallization. If you forget to do that and you directly apply it, you won't see any changes. You need to disable it, reload formats from stack, re-enable it, and engage. As you can see, we get fast viewport feedback. We can also use it for general modeling tasks. Like, let's apply it. So it can be used not only as an animation tool, but also as a general modeling tool. Here we have it applied on a simple cylinder. On the cylinder with noise. As you can see, all the details get nicely reconstructed. So that's it. If you like it, buy it from my store. I'm sure it will be helpful to your skinning and rigging workflow, and also modeling. Okay, bye bye everybody.